Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need scheduled maintenance, to order new parts, or a tune-up, Paragon Acura uses the industry's best factory-trained technicians along with the highest quality equipment to make sure your vehicle is serviced right the first time. Visit us at www.paragonacura.com, where you can order parts, speak to an online representative to answer your questions now, schedule a service appointment, and when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. Paragon Acura is located at 5602 Northern Boulevard in Woodside, New York.